it can be really interesting to just pick up a skull or even just a mandible, jawbone of an organism and look at its teeth and be able to know what that organism eats. So we can think about there's three main types of organisms in terms of their diets. So there's an omnivore, so that is an organism which eats both plants and animals. So I'm an omnivore, I eat plant matter and animal matter. There's carnivores, like tigers, so they just eat meat. And then, of course, there's herbivores, like cows and sheep, and they just eat plants. But if we look at the teeth of omnivores and carnivores and herbivores, we'll see that they're really quite different and they're really specialized to their diets. So here I've got the skull of a carnivore, and we'll see it's got these huge canines that we'd be familiar with, in a tiger. In size, again, these are quite sharp and pointy. These carnassial teeth, again, the whole way along, very sharp, pointy. These are all designed for tearing into muscle or meat, ripping it, and really just kind of swallowing it in chunks. So nothing to go, it's just all sharp, cut into it, rip it, tear it, and swallow it. And then in the stomach, the carnivores will take care of the digestion. But the teeth really give that skull away. This is an animal which just tears and rips into things. Down here, I've got a picture of an animal which has got some incisors, so some little sharp teeth, maybe to cut some grass. So snip off a little bit of a plant. And then here, I've just got some molars here, which are all quite flat. And, they just are there to grind away at the plant matter, because plants are really hard to digest. They've got something called cellulose in them. So the herbivores, they just grind away at the plant matter, so really crunch it up quite a lot in the mouth to really start that digestive process. So these teeth are very different to a carnivore's. Really just little scissory incisor teeth, and then a whole bunch of just grinding teeth to grind that plant matter into a kind of mush so that it basically can be digested. And then, of course, I've got a picture of an omnivore's teeth, or a human's teeth here, in fact. So I've also got incisors at the front. So these can help me, cut through things. I do have a canine, so that can help me kind of rip into meat and, pull a steak apart or something like that. These premolars, they're kind of a little bit pointy, but at the back, I've also got these flat molar teeth. So again, I can use my molars for just chewing at things, grinding things down, grinding plant matter down. So I've got kind of a mixture of those incisors I've both got, but I've got a canine, and I've got some grinding teeth there at the back too. So I've got some teeth which help me to kind of rip into meat, and I've got teeth at the back which can help me just grind down plant matter. So it can be really interesting to look at the teeth and really skulls together of different animals to decide what it is that they eat. And those skulls or teeth have evolved over millions of years to be really specialized to do a super job of eating the food that those organisms need to survive.